This is me presentation. My name is Scott Meisner. Some general information about myself. Born and raised in Olathe, Kansas. Lived around the area my whole life. I did move to Missouri briefly, Lenexa-Overland Park briefly, but wound up back in Olathe, Kansas. I recently turned 30 years old. I currently work full-time at City Rene Truck. It's a locally owned company. They're working on growing it, and it's fun to be a part of. A little bit of family history. I've been married just over 7 years. Have a daughter named Kinsley. She just turned 4 years old. This is me and Kinsley right before a daddy-daughter date back in February. And this is me and my wife, Jessica, when we got married back in 2011. We have 2 dogs in our family. Kind of did the education thing backwards. I started actually right out of high school working full-time, then decided it was worth it to go back to school. I did a lot of my general studies at Johnson County Community College before I came over to Emporia State. Currently studying business administration with a focus in finance here at Emporia. So my hobbies include anything to do with cars, anything with an engine on it. Love getting my hands dirty, going as fast as possible, loud, just getting it dirty, whatever it is. Really enjoy listening to music. Love going to the lake. Here lately been working on getting good at doing the wake surfing and skiing and everything like that. I also love doing projects around the house. These are a few photos here of a bathroom I recently remodeled here at our house. Just wish I had more time to complete projects like that. And that is everything about me.